In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your school and curriculum in just a few easy steps. First things first, let's set up your academic year. Choose the start and end dates that align with your school's schedule. Great. Now let's move on to selecting the board your school follows, whether it's CBSE, NCERT, or ICSE, or a custom board. We've got options to suit your needs. Perfect choice. Next, let's choose the grades taught at your school. From 1st to 12th grade, select the range that fits your curriculum. Excellent. Now let's add sections to each grade. Whether it's A, B, C, D, or custom sections, we'll tailor it to your school structure. You're doing great. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set. Click Finish to save your settings and be redirected to your dashboard. And just like that, you successfully set up your school and curriculum on Roombr. In the next video, we will show you how to add and manage teachers and students.